Hey everyone, if your Docsify site is not working, like the page is blank, not loading, or showing errors, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through step-by-step ways to fix Docsify not working issues quickly. First, make sure your local server is running. Docsify will not work if you haven't started the server properly using the correct command. Next, use the correct command like docsify serve dot. Using wrong commands can stop your site from loading completely. Check your project file structure. You need essential files like index.html or RADME Markdown for Docsify to function properly. Try clearing your browser cache. Old cached data can prevent your site from updating or loading changes correctly. Make sure node.js is installed correctly. Missing or broken node.js installation can break the Docsify environment. If it still doesn't work, reinstall Docsify CLI. Corrupted installation files can cause major setup issues. Finally, restart your computer. Sometimes a simple restart fixes hidden system or environment problems. So yeah, those are the best ways to fix Docsify not working issues. Follow each step carefully, and your documentation site should load properly again. And if this helped, don't forget to check out more tech tutorials for fast and easy solutions. Hey everyone!